Two popular travel cards. One major showdown. Which one actually earns its place in your wallet? On one side, the Capital One VentureOne, no annual fee and flexible rewards. On the other, Southwest Rapid Rewards, the card built for dedicated Southwest flyers. Let's skip the marketing fluff and see what really matters. We'll award points in every category, so you can clearly see who comes out ahead. The winner might just surprise you in 2025. Okay, before we get all detailed, here's the game plan. A mind map with these categories: annual fee, rewards earning rate, sign-up bonus, redemption flexibility, and travel protections and perks. That should give you the full picture when we stack these cards up. First up, let's talk about something everyone cares about: the annual fee. VentureOne comes right out swinging. No annual fee at all, like $0. So if you're the type who hates extra charges just for holding a card, that's a huge plus. Southwest Rapid Rewards? Well, it's usually somewhere between $69 to $149, depending which version you grab. And sure, sometimes they do promos and waive the first year, which is nice, but honestly, unless you get lucky, expect to pay a recurring fee. So in this round, yeah, VentureOne totally wins. No contest there. All right, rewards earning rate. This is where things get more interesting. With VentureOne, you earn 1.25 miles per dollar for everything. That's fine, but not exactly mind-blowing. For travel nerds, there's a bonus: 5 times miles on hotels and rental cars, but it has to be through Capital One Travel. Nothing outside that, though. Southwest Rapid Rewards, meanwhile, kicks things up a notch for people who are loyal Southwest flyers. You're getting 2 times points if you book Southwest flights, and 1 times points for all other stuff. Plus, sometimes they throw in promos with even juicier earning rates. If you fly Southwest a lot, these extra points rack up super quick. So, for pure rewards potential, Southwest takes this one. Next, let's chat sign-up bonuses, which, honestly, is half the reason people get new cards. VentureOne gives you a straightforward deal: 20,000 miles if you spend $500 in the first 3 months. That's about $200 if you redeem it for travel. Not bad at all, especially with a low spend requirement. Southwest, on the other hand, usually flashes some pretty big numbers, anywhere from 40,000 to 80,000 points, but you gotta spend a lot more, like way more, to get those. Oh, and because the point value swings depending on how you use them, you really want to be locking these in for Southwest flights to see the best value. So if you want a simple, quick win without busting your budget right away, VentureOne edges out here. Wait a minute. Did you know Southwest lets you change flights without fees? Yeah, seriously. That's a pretty rare perk, and something travelers obsess over. Moving on, let's talk redemption flexibility, because nobody wants to be boxed in. With VentureOne, you can cash in your miles for travel, gift cards, airline transfers, or even cash back if you just want some petty cash. No blackout dates, no specific airline restrictions, just wide open. The best value is still travel, though. Southwest Rapid Rewards, their points are mainly meant for Southwest flights. You can redeem on some hotels or car rentals directly. And here's something cool: if you earn enough, you can get a companion pass, which lets someone fly with you for free. But overall, Southwest is way less flexible. So for redemption options, VentureOne totally has the upper hand. Last category: travel protections and perks. VentureOne gives you standard but solid stuff. No foreign transaction fees, which, trust me, really matters. Travel insurance, and even rental car coverage. All useful, but don't expect anything super fancy like lounge access or upgrades. Southwest Rapid Rewards, their quirk is that checked bags fly free. And yeah, that's not nothing, especially if you hate baggage fees. They also offer lost luggage insurance. Still, no premium travel perks or lounge access here either. So, this round is honestly a tie. Both cards keep things pretty basic, but useful. All right, quick visual check. If you lay out these scores side by side, VentureOne shines on no annual fee, sign-up bonus, and how flexible your rewards are. Southwest comes through with killer rewards for loyal flyers, and does all right on perks. The scores reflect these strengths, making it easy to spot which card is better in which category. So, bottom line, if you want general travel flexibility, zero annual fee, and easy rewards, the Capital One VentureOne is a super safe bet. But if you're a regular Southwest flyer who wants to rack up points super fast, and maybe grab that sweet companion pass, Southwest Rapid Rewards is made for you.
If any of that helped you pick your next card, make sure to bookmark this for future reference. Compare before you fly or book so you actually get the best deal next